nowadays they're displaying how it was like way back in the olden times with the ancestors. Because way back in the olden times there's no clothes. This is our traditional costume worn by our ancestors. Nowadays we are displaying it, but it is our traditional costume. So whenever it came to our young girls, when she became a woman, having period, she had to move out from the house to from the father's house and stay either closest to the river or to the sea or the stream. Stay there for whenever she was clean, and then she moved back to the house. And nowadays we use this activity whenever we do our laundry, whether in the sea or in the spring or in the river, waiting for the clothes to be dry, and we start performing all the sound. All the sound that you are sitting here listening, gonna listen to, it's all nature sound. The sound that we took from the land and from the sea. The sound that we took from the sky also. The first sound the ladies are gonna give us is the sound of a tanta, and it's a welcome sound.